Hi all, welcome back to Neural Logbook. Recently मैंने MacBook Air M5 परचेस किया है so let's set up this for our development purposes and use this for our ongoing journey with the AI and ML. In this series, we will be installing all the software required for our journey. So let's start with that. First of all, like we'll need DaVinci Resolve to edit our videos. Let's see how we can install the DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, go to the Safari and search for it. I have the recommendation here. So first recommendation is from the Black Magic Design Inc. official website. Let's go into that. If you scroll down, we'll get many more options here to choose from, but we need a macOS. We need to fill these details first. तो मैंने यहाँ पे सारे डिटेल्स डाल दिए तो लेट्स ट्राई टू डाउनलोड इट फॉर macOS. We need to allow this pop-up to start the downloads. Okay, let's start with the downloads. Let's see here. Okay, let's wait until this gets downloaded. Okay, so our DMG file is downloaded. It's about like 3.6 GB. So let's go to that folder where it is stored. Open the Finder. Here you can see the downloads, DaVinci Resolve. Double click on that. Select the install Resolve. Click install. We need to give the our password of this Mac to install it. Okay, now here is some like where the installation wizard, so we need to like do some stuff here for the configuration, like just do the continue for this as well. Then read all the documentation if you need, or you can just directly skip it and continue, then agree. Okay, so total 8.36 GB is on this computer to load, so I'll be installing it on the Macintosh EXT. Install again. I need to give the password. It will take some time to write these files. Let's wait until then. Okay, the installation was successful. Now let's close this one and move that installer file which is of like 3.6 GB. अभी तो हम लोगों को उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है क्योंकि हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल कर लिया है. So let's move back to the bean. Let's go to the apps and see the DaVinci Resolve. We have this. Let's open that. Okay, this is here. We need to the continue. We can skip and start directly. We need to press the allow for this so that all the permission will be given to this software. Okay, तो अपने पास DaVinci Resolve इंस्टॉल हो गया तो इसमें import करो और you can edit your videos and all. चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सीरीज में which will be like we'll be installing Python on this system and required other softwares as well. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to Neural Logbook for such content.